Welcome to another episode of Friend Outdoors.
On today's episode, the landowner of this property that we're hunting on informed us that several gobblers were roosting on this point. So we went in there the next morning in the dark, set up our blind on a logging road. We got our decoys set out, and we were within 150 yards of these turkeys. This was one of our best hunts ever. We hope you enjoy it. These two gobblers are not sure what happened, so we called just a little bit, kept the camera rolling. We didn't want to scare them in case we wanted to come back tomorrow. Before we could even get out of the blind to do our recovery, we've got two more birds coming in.
Double whammy.
Yeah, we got a double this morning. The landowner told us that 6 longbeards was roosted on this point. So we come in here this morning, set up, had 4 come in, put on a great show. Great show. Come right in just like we hoped. Right down this road, wide open and clear. Great hunt. Both of them's nice. This one's probably got 1.25 inches spurs. Man, it was just a great hunt.
Double whammy, baby. Double whammy.
We hope you enjoyed today's hunt. On this particular hunt, I called the landowner and asked if we could come over and hunt the next day. They informed us, yeah, sure, come on over, and told us that they'd been hearing some gobblers on a point behind their house. So the next morning, we get in there early, up on the ridge in the dark. We set up on the logging road. We got the blind set up. We got the decoys in the road. And as daylight comes, the toms start to gobble. I tree called a few times to them and they responded. A big key here, when a bird is on the limb gobbling, you don't want to call to him too much. Just let him know that you're there and wait for him to fly down. That's what we did. Once these toms hit the ground, I yelped a little more excitedly. I cut a little bit. You could tell they were on the way. Now as they come up and they hit the road and they're coming into the decoys, we're really concerned that all these heads this close together, it's going to be hard to just single one of them out and get a shot. We don't want to kill 2 of them with 1 shot, so we're really concerned about this. Another thing, when Dad and I go hunting, most of the time we just take 1 gun. If he's doing the shooting, and he was in this case, I run the camera and we try to capture. If the birds stick around and we can possibly shoot a second one, he will pass me the gun, then I'm trying to film and shoot. Sometimes he'll lean over, take over the camera a little bit, but it's set up right in front of me, so it's kind of in my way as an obstacle. Well, in this case, I'm trying to zoom in on the bird above the road to get him in frame to take the shot. Dad informs me that the other 2 are coming up back into the road. They do. One of the big ones jumps on his buddy and starts pecking at him. Kind of weird to see. They're gobbling, putting on a show. I get the camera lined up, I take the shot, the bird goes down. The other 2 just kind of standing there. They're not sure what happened. They're still gobbling. Eventually we shut up and just let them drift off. We've got more tags for tomorrow or down the road. We'll come back in here. So we let them go. As we're sitting there, we notice more birds gobbling over near the point where these come from. So 2 more birds come in there and they gobbled and strutted and they put on a heck of a show. We're not sure if those were 2 new birds or if these 2 went around us and come back into the decoys again. Needless, they put on a great show. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you enjoy our channel, please hit that subscribe and like button, the thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything. It just lets us know that you enjoy our channel and it helps promote our channel. Now for a preview of our next episode.